Okay, still in the hotel room waiting for my van to get repaired. I was told it'll be last night. Now said they'll maybe get it done before lunch today. So, and this garage, they do good work. Not always the first time, but they do make sure that eventually you get good work done. But Lord, their estimation of timing is very bad. I'm not sure how they do their acquisition of parts. Yeah, it seems to take longer with them than some of the other places I go to. But they were close, and it was raining, and my cart stopped. And it was, as I said before, it was a gas tank issue. That switch, and that electrical switch and gas tank. So they said they've resolved that, and they say they're trying to align it. Why should it take 3 to 4 hours to align a vehicle? Maybe I'm not a mechanic, at least, well, I can do mechanic work, but I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what it takes to align a vehicle, but I did not think it would take this long. So why am I not at work? Because every stitch of clothing I got is on that van, and I didn't take an overnight bag. But what I will be doing is getting some type of small overnight bag, keeping it packed. So if I do have to get out of the van for a day or two, I'll be prepared. But I have to take the day off because I have nothing clean to wear. Because any random clean clothes I've got left is in that darn van. So that's another thing you've got to understand. If you do have your life in the van and you put that van in the shop, take a small section of your life with you out of that van, because it's going to be a pain in the butt. So I've been in this hotel now for 2 days. I was thinking about doing it for another day, because I have no idea whether these guys are going to get this van done. They say it's going to be done today. It's got to be done today. It's just ridiculous. Anyway, you'll still see a knife video or two, maybe a tube video or two. You're not going to see anything basically on the van. I'm still thinking about that parts replacement video, what things you can expect from an old van, because I think I've seen them all in spades. So I'll give you some warning, so maybe you can do better than I did. Now, like I said, I'm still in the black on this deal, about 75% or 65 to 75% for living in a van. But, if you're not ready for this kind of annoying, you might want to get a newer van. Mine is about 25, 28, 20. If you count everything, about 28 years old. So, you get an old van like you got an old guy here. Things begin to creak, and sometimes they'll break, and sometimes it needs work. I'll talk to you later, and hopefully I'll get the van back today. If I do, I'll let you know. This is the closest thing I get to a vlog, is me walking randomly around in a hotel room while I'm waiting for my car to get repaired. I'll talk to you later.